So guys, I'm reading out this one comment and feedback from Maslina Maridan. Dulu masa saya stay Clementi, selalu makan nasi ayam penyet, my family's favorite food, and rojak Bandung too. Even dah move to Bukit Panjang, kalau pergi Clementi mesti makan dan tapau bawa balik. How I wish ada store di Bukit Panjang, cause sini not much Malay stall. So Maslina, from us at Pondok Abang, we are so grateful for you and your family's support throughout the years, and to all other patrons also that have been supporting us throughout the years. Thank you very much. And with regards to having our stall at Bukit Panjang, inshallah we will look into it, but no promises, okay? Because down the road we are planning on to expand and having more Abang by Pondok Abang stores available island-wide, especially in the east, in the north, okay? So probably you guys who are watching this video can leave down in the comment section where do you want to see Abang by Pondok Abang stall available at, okay? So in the meantime, if you are craving for any of our Abang by Pondok Abang food, you can drop by to our outlets located at 448 Clementi Avenue 3, unit number 0103, or 1J Colony Road, which is at Singapore Botanical Gardens. Okay guys, and you can always log into your Grab app and check out whether your location serves our food or not, okay? And we have some patrons also who craze for our product. Unfortunately, Grab isn't available to deliver to their location. However, they arrange for Lalamove to come and collect. Of course, this one would be very suitable for larger orders, like maybe 7 packets, 8 packets, 10 packets and above. But you guys can consider that if you are having some parties, majlis, and some gatherings. Okay guys?